Yo, what's up guys? Today I've got a quick review of these UV shoe cleaners. We're gonna test, do they really work? Are they worth buying on Amazon? Let's figure it out. As a first step here, let's go ahead and unbox and see what comes in the box here. All right, so right off the bat, we've got a nice user manual. Then we have the device itself. So these are the inserts that are actually going to go within the shoes, and they're going to use UV rays, not dissimilar from what the sun does, to kill bacteria. Specifically with shoes, it's going to be killing smelly bacteria. So that's that. And then we have the main charging brick here that will power our control here. But for now, I think we should go ahead and test this out and see how well these things work. All right, so now I've got these installed and plugged into the wall here. This is what these look like. So it's very important, do not look at these bulbs right here. They can harm your eyes, they can harm your skin. This is direct UV light, so you do not want to be looking directly into these bulbs. But the company Air3Roll has implemented a couple safety features that are very important, and I'll show you here shortly. So we're gonna be sterilizing my dirty old shoes right here. These things stink pretty bad. These were my outdoor shoes for a long time, and I could maybe clean them up, but the smell is so bad that I need to get them fixed. So what we want to do here is we want to plug each of these down into the shoe itself so that it can get all that bacteria that is inside the shoe. So there we go. Both of them are inside, and notice we can see this bulb right here. This one is okay to look at. It's just the main internal bulb that's not. So from here, we have 3 modes. You see that red light? That means it's going to clean these for 15 minutes. If we hit it again, it's going to be a 30-minute. And if we hit it again, the blue light means it's going to be cleaning these for 60 minutes. So that's going to get a full kind of disinfect everything with that UV light. That's what I'm going to do personally here. So what happens next after 30 seconds to make sure that they're well within the shoes, you're not going to blind yourself, this is going to actually turn the light on. So shortly, I'll put the camera down inside the shoe and you'll be able to see the light. But again, I am not going to look at it so that I don't hurt my eyes. And you can see there's another warning right here that says that. So 30 seconds is almost up. This should be on in a second here. Let's take a look. So there you can see the UV bulb is working. Now I'm gonna go ahead and leave these for about 15 minutes. Maybe I'll do the full hour and then I'll let you guys know if they smell any better. And one thing you can also do is pull these kind of back throughout the time period so the light is kind of hitting here the most, then a little bit in the middle, and then a little bit towards the back here. So you can slightly adjust them while it's running. But all right, let's let it do its thing. All right guys, it's been, I let it go for about 40 minutes. So we'll take a quick sniff here. And it actually does smell, I should have kept one dirty and cleaned the other, but honestly, it doesn't smell too bad. So if you do that constantly, like maybe once a week or something like that, you should be able to maintain good smelling shoes for longer. Thanks for watching.